Mommy wants you to slime it. I know how much
Are you taking?
Yes, right now I am. But then I'll take a slime picture.
What? I didn't see you.
What you got there? Are you making slime?
Yes.
Whenever I hear a bowl and a spoon going around in lots of circles, I know what must be up.
Now it's time to read.
It's Dad's 50th birthday. Hannah's making him slime.
Only if I knew how to make it.
Why do you always try?
Because I've seen different slimes on Instagram. There's crunchy slime, there's fluffy slime, there's butter slime.
I think butter slime is definitely up your alley.